What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Darku, and you probably already know that if you've been watching the rest of the tutorial series. Last episode we talked about control switches and variants and how they work, and how you would make someone, essentially this guy, muffle on about you and then run away when you walked into a specific event, and this could all be one event but in different tiles. And today we're going to be going a little bit deeper into it. My main man Darth Vader, who wanted this tutorial in the first place, thank you for your question, and here's the answer, etc. Wanted a different sort of take on this, as in making the NPC go where walk towards you essentially, but depending on which tile you stood on, he would come and walk to you, if that makes any more sense. I'm going to move these out of the way, so that we're just going to delete them. In fact, we'll delete them. We won't delete the main guy. The main guy here, he's still called Person 1, and he has absolutely nothing on him except that he's an NPC. So we're going to keep that, and we're going to use him as an example. What we will do is we'll quickly change the carpet to that over there or something, and we will, there we go, so like that, and we'll make him go there. So he's got some distance to come towards us. So what we're going to do in this video, and instead of making him muffle on about something blah 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 and then run away from us, we're going to make him come towards us, but depending on which tile we are stood on, he's going to face us. So if we stand here, he's going to come here. If we stand here, he's going to come here, but it's all going to be one switch, one event. So no matter where you stand, it'll activate the same event in all four spaces, but he will appear, come towards you in different ways depending on where you're stood. So once again, just like last episode, and again, if you haven't watched that one, you should probably go watch it. You could kind of understand how this would work in reverse of the last episode, but if not, please carry on watching and I will show you how to get this done exactly how you want it. Alright, so the first things first, we're going to right click and create a new event. In this event, we're going to be walkie event. Walkie event. It doesn't matter whatever you call it, I'm going to call it walkie event because then I know what the heck is going on. And we are going to do this on player touch. So when the player touches this, this event will play out. And what do we call this guy? I forgot. Person 1, I always forget, we're going to copy that. Person 1, we didn't even need to copy that. We didn't need to copy that, sorry. But he is called Person 1. So when the player steps on here, we want we're going to, I'm really sorry, I should actually show you exactly every single step, because some of you aren't fluent with this, some of you may be, some of you aren't. We're going to right click on this list of events, we're going to insert, and when the player steps on this, we want it to set a move route, and we want to change the move route at the very top left from player to Person 1, because that's who that is right there. So when the player steps here, we want Person 1 to essentially, we want him, well, we're going to make him move up, left, left, left. So move up, move left, move left, move left. And before these events happen, if you click on the very top one, you want through on. You want that always on. No matter what, when you're doing a movement sequence, characters can actually in fact get stuck, like NPCs, etc. events can get stuck. If another event tile isn't, say there was an event like right here where my mouse is, he might be able to get stuck there and it'll crash or just won't do anything, and you don't want that. So you want through on, always on. So he always overlaps no matter what. It will overlap sometimes like buildings or something if you're not careful, like that's all to do with your placing. But we're going to turn through on, up, left, left, left. So that will, if you step here, he will go there, 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 and he will already be looking at you because left is where he last went. And then we're going to click OK, and then right click again underneath, insert, wait for move completion. And then when that's done, we want, I mean, you can do what you want. So let's say you want him to walk towards you and then say something. So we're going to go right click, insert, and we're going to go show text. Hello.
Hello.
So after this guy essentially moves up, left, 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 faces you, and then wait for move completion, then says hello, we just for the sake of this video, we are going to just kill the event and make him disappear. But you can do way more stuff if you want. This is just purely an example. So after he's done this, and that's what you want him to do, we're going to go ahead and create a new event page, and we're going to call this, we're going to go to conditions. We want the switch, if this switch is on, and we want to go to one of these reserve spaces. Sorry, again, I will go and make sure that I do it from scratch so that, you know, because some of you may not be fluent in this, so we're going to do it as if you're brand new. So you want to go to the condition switch. So if this switch is on, but we don't want the starting over, we want this switch, and we're going to click the arrow, and we're going to go to 26 to 50 where there's some reserve spots. Now we've already taken up 2 reserved. Let's just put these back on, because these were reserved previously, and I changed them for a video. There we go. So let's say this is a reserved one. We want this to kill event. Apply on. So when kill event is on, you want this to auto run and it will do literally nothing. Okay? And then we want to go back to event page 1 where all this is happening. If you step on it, this happens, blah blah blah. When he's done his move completion, he says hello. We want to insert, right click insert, then control switches on page 1, and then we want to find the kill event and we want to have that on. So after this has all happened, we want maybe, I'm not entirely sure if we need this or not, but no, we don't. So after this is done, the kill event equals on is on, and then when that happens, this will kill event. So now that that's done, what you want to do is go to this NPC, right click, edit event, and on page 2, where he disappears, all that sort of thing, auto run, when kill event is on the condition switch, kill event is on, he will auto run and it will do nothing, it will just disappear. Okay, so you want the so this essentially, if we save and play now, it should we put it on the top blue tile. So here we are, we're going to step on this, he should come up to us, do his movement, say hello, then disappear. Hello, gone, right? And it doesn't happen again because we've killed event. Again, doesn't need to be named kill event, but that's how this works. That's, you know, as an example, that is how that works. But you want this event to be in an area. You don't want it to be in this one space, otherwise you'll have to, like, you know, get things to stop people from going through it. They're going to have to walk through one gap. You don't want that. So what we want to do is we're going to control C and control V. That will copy and then paste. But this one we're going to edit event, and we are going to, instead of person 1 doing this, we want to reroute him. So this is still got him going up, left, left, left. Okay? So what you want him to do is, in fact, not go up. So we're just going to go to move up and delete that one. So now he's going to go through on, move left, left, left. So there, there, and there. Then he's going to wait for move completion, say hello, and then kills event is on. We're going to apply, OK. We're going to control copy, control V, that new event, and we're going to edit event here. Right click, edit event. And then we're going to right click, edit this event again. Now he's going to be here and you want him to be here. So you want him to go down, left, left, left. So instead of, oh, there is no up on this one, is there? So we want him to, so you want to click on move left at the very top, and then we want him to move down. So now he'll go through on, so he won't get stuck. He'll now move down, left, left, left. So down, left, left, left. That's exactly where you want him. And then we're going to press OK. And then once again, we're going to control C, control V on this last space, and we're going to edit. Right click, edit event, right click, edit this. Hold on, before we do that, let's move this out of the way so we can see what we're doing. Edit, here we go. So this time you want him to go down, down, left, left, left. So where it says move down, we're going to go to move down again. So he's on, through on, so he won't get stuck. Moves down, down, left, left, left. Done. Okay, and save. So now we've done an event and switched the move patterns of person 1. Just guarantee that the set move route is person 1. If it is not, go to right click, edit, and make sure that person 1 here is on, not player. We want person 1 because that is the name of the NPC event. So edit this event right here is person 1. Okay, and then obviously make sure this is the same as mine. After that, you should be good to go. And again, when that switch is turned on of kill event, it will kill all of the event because it's the same switch. So we're going to just walk down here, and as a test, we'll do the same one again. Hello, disappears. And if we walk on any of these other ones, no event should trigger because it's all the same switch. And what I mean by that is, oh, if we just kill this, there we go. If we click on one of these, let's click on the third one, right click, edit event. What happens is, no matter which tile they step on, they will activate this control switch here, which kills the event. And then on event 2, which is on every single one of these, every single event here has this event 2, and has the condition of, if kill event is on, this no longer exists. And all these have this second page with this condition switch on. So when one of these activates and goes through and uses this kill switch on event, it kills that switch for all of these, even including the NPC. Even on event 2 on NPC, kill event is on auto run, it will just kill it. So again, we will just show you one more time, but on a different tile this time, just to show you it works no matter where you are. If we go to this bottom tile here for an example, you should come down, down, left, 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 hello, and goodbye. I'm glad that worked first try, no debugging needed. But like again, if you didn't understand, let me try and explain it one more time. No matter what event you stand on here, as we've edited the move route for this person one, he will walk towards you. Either if you're on the top square, he'll move up, left, left, left. If you're on the second square, he'll move left, left, left. Third square, he'll go down, left, left, left. Fourth square, down, down, left, left, left. And then make sure you make, on any of these events, make sure you've got wait for move completion before anything else happens. Then you can do whatever you want after this, but just make sure that when you want the event to end, you go to right click, insert, and you add a control switch, and make sure there's an event on one of these control switches that, it doesn't have to be called kill event. It could be like, Dave speaks, finish, or something like that, right? So Dave, for an example, will come up to you, speak to you, but that's the finish of the event, okay? You can call it whatever you want, but as long as that event is on, and then you have the second page of the same event, second page, and then if that switch is on, it will no longer exist. Make sure auto run is on when this all happens. And again, they're all on the same switch, so no matter where you stand, this kill switch event on will activate no matter which one you stand on, and it will cancel out all these events. So like I said, I really hope this helped. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of promotional business. I'm in Discord if you ever need help. If something's too hard to sort of explain in just text or pictures, I will make a video just like this. Thank you again to Darth Vader for the question. Like I said, I'm more than happy to help anybody who has questions on how to make a game. It doesn't have to be Pokemon specific, but if it's RPG Maker or something, I can definitely help. If it's Unreal Engine, I can try my best to help as well. Yeah, I'm in Discord, all the comments. See you guys later. Goodbye!